SEOWriting.AI is an AI-powered tool that helps you generate SEO-friendly content quickly. Whether you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, or business owner, this tool can help you write high-quality articles, product reviews, and even bulk content with ease. Now, let me show you each feature in action. Let's start with one of the most powerful features, one-click article generation. Just enter a topic, and the AI instantly creates a complete article, including headings, NLP keywords, and meta descriptions. This is perfect for bloggers who need content fast while keeping SEO in mind. If you manage multiple websites, this feature will blow your mind. The bulk article generator allows you to create and schedule up to 100 articles at once, which can be auto-published to your WordPress site. This is a game-changer for content marketers and agencies. Humanizer Tool. AI-generated content can sometimes sound robotic, right? That's where the Humanizer Tool comes in. It refines your AI-generated text, making it sound more natural and engaging. This is great for making AI-written content feel more human and readable. If you like this tool, you can use coupon TechFin for 25% off on all plans. Blog post. This is the first step in creating your article. You tell this tool the main topic of your article by entering a keyword or phrase. Based on that keyword you entered, this tool will then automatically create a title, description, and headings for your article. Next, let's talk about an incredible feature for affiliate marketers, the Product Roundup Generator. A product roundup is a list-style article that compares multiple products in a category, like best laptops for 2024 or top 5 budget smartphones. These types of articles perform well in search engines and help readers make informed buying decisions. AI Product Review Generator, affiliate marketers, this one's for you. The Product Review Generator creates high-quality, SEO-friendly product descriptions automatically. Simply enter the product URLs, and it generates details like key features, pros and cons, and descriptions. No more struggling to write product reviews from scratch. SEOWriting.AI does it for you. Product List Workflow. This feature is designed for users who need to generate content for multiple products in a structured format. It's perfect for creating SEO-optimized descriptions for e-commerce stores, comparison pages, and affiliate sites. With this tool, you can add a list of product names, URLs, or categories, and the AI will generate unique, engaging, and SEO-friendly descriptions for each product. Now, in my upcoming videos, I'll break down each feature in detail, showing you how to use them like a pro. Internal and external linking. Want to boost your SEO? SEOWriting.AI can automatically insert internal and external links into your content. Just enable the feature, and it suggests relevant links to improve your website's authority. This saves time and ensures that your content follows SEO best practices. Internal linking helps connect relevant pages on your website automatically, ensuring that your content is well-structured and easy to navigate. With SEOWriting.AI, you don't have to manually insert links. It finds the best internal links for you. Here, you can select your WordPress site and configure your internal linking strategy in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at some key settings. You can exclude specific pages from internal linking, such as admin pages, private sections, or the About Us page. Next, you can adjust the number of links per article, choose where they should appear, and even set the link attributes like dofollow or nofollow. Another powerful feature of SEOWriting.AI is external linking, which helps you automatically add authoritative and relevant outbound links to your content, improving credibility and SEO performance. External links are important for SEO because they help search engines understand your content's relevance and quality. With SEOWriting.AI's external linking, you can choose between automatic and manual link insertion, ensuring your content remains optimized. Next, you can control the number of external links, how they are placed throughout the content, and whether contextual enrichment is enabled for better relevance. Next, you can control the number of external links, how they are placed throughout the content, and whether contextual enrichment is enabled for better relevance. So, as you can see, SEOWriting.AI is packed with powerful features that make content creation faster and easier. Now, in my upcoming videos, I'll break down each feature in detail, showing you how to use them like a pro. Next video, one-click article generator in-depth tutorial. So, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss it. If you want to try SEOWriting.AI for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about.